Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we have an experiment of rolling a balanced two dice. So we'll let x be the maximum of the two numbers obtained. And the first part, we are looking at the possible values of x or the sample space. So here we have x, which can contain all the possible values. So it can be one, it can be two, it can be three, it can be four, it can be five, and it can be six. It can be one because we can have one of the dice being one and the other also being one. Then one being one and one being two, so that we'll pick three. We'll pick the two. And we can have one being two and one being three, so that we'll pick the three. Or we can have four four, one four, two four, three four.